I love the lighting.
Let's do it.
B is even walking. B just has to be part of the program. Part of the
She's
program.
like the,
She's the audience.
Look at Titsy. She's all up on my couch.
she's like his wife.
She is gonna be asleep in 2 seconds. It looks like. And what's Asterisk looking at?
Little flip eye.
What's Asterisk looking at? As a puppy. It's fine.
Jack, come on, baby.
If I had her eyelashes, I'd be like batting it like 24/7.
Just cracks me up how he belly flops like that.
As it is, I found this essay letter stuff where it's like you put it on and it, the way the mascara is it builds your cosmetic for as long as you want. Like my problem with fake lashes, lash
The ones they had for the wedding were nice.
yeah, the wedding was okay. The ones for that I did for your engagement party, when they came out, it took my eyes.
Oh, it was kind of noise.
And then I was full eye, and I was like, that's not cool.
Oh, I've never had much anyway. You doing all right there, sister?
Yes. What is this, a light?
Yeah, they will. Those will illuminate us tonight.
Nice.
Look at the puppy.
Wait, they actually light up?
Cool, and they float in the water?
Yeah, these are the solar panel things.
Wait, they actually float?
Those just look.
At nighttime, yeah.
No, I thought they
Y todo un
float
ladrador.
at the bottom.
You buy him like a 12 pack or something?
I bought these on eBay.